All right, so when we get a triangle and they're asking us to find something, we have to say to ourselves, what do we have? What do we need? And we're going to use Soh Cah Toa to solve these. So we have an angle, and we have an x and a 7. And they want us to find x. Is x a side or an angle?
Side.
It's a side. Look at the picture. X is a side. That's important. So when we do that, we say, okay, what side is x? X, we look at the angle and we say x is the opposite side of 42. And 7 is the adjacent side. So every problem is different. So I'm given an angle, opposite, and adjacent. I go up here and I find that tangent has an O and an A in it. So I write it out. Tangent of the angle. Who's the angle in this picture?
42.
42 degrees equals opposite, which is the x, over the adjacent. And if it was the other way around, you would write the other way around. You put things where they go. You don't just randomly put them down. Okay? And so you cross multiply, and you have x times 1 is x. And whenever you have this stays together as a package deal, but whenever you have a number over here, put it in front. So it's 7 tangent of 42. And you can put that in your calculator. And you should get that x equals 6.30, but everybody do it and make sure you can get that on your calculator. So the 8 is the opposite side, and the 14 is opposite the 90, so that's the hypotenuse. And I would recommend right now that you do that you classify what you're given so you know what to use. So since this has an O and an H, we're to sine. That's why we pick sine. Sine of the angle equals opposite over hypotenuse.
Got it.
So since we're looking for the angle, we have to hit the second sine button of 8 over 14 equals x. So 34.85 degrees equals x. That's what you will put on your paper.